In this tips and tricks video, we're going to look at how to apply a filter to a widget within your dashboard. We start by hovering over the hamburger icon in this top right corner of your widget. And from here we'll see that filters is one of our options. I'm going to select filters. From here, I'll pop open my filter options drop-down and select addition, merge with global filters. I also have the option to select locked, ignore global filters. In this case, I'll select addition, merge with global filters, and from here I'll simply click add filter, and I see all of the fields available to me within this data stream. From here I'll just select which field I'd like to filter down upon, and then click submit. That's how we easily apply a widget level filter in Stratified.